So this Propfirm is known as one of the most affordable Propfirm in the industry, and along with that they provide a payout on a 5-day basis, which is one of the quickest payout frequency in the industry. Namaskar to all traders and welcome. This video will be on Funding Pips, which is based in Dubai, UAE, and they provide only one type of funding program, which is 2-step challenge with unlimited time, unlimited trading period, along with a maximum loss which can be increased up to 14% of your initial balance. Now the question is, will it be really worth to invest your money in this Propfirm? Is this Propfirm really suitable for you? Which we will check with the help of this video. Before moving ahead, in case if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then kindly consider subscribing the channel and like this video, and do let me know in the comment section which Propfirm you want in our next video. As mentioned, they provide only one type of program, that is 2-step challenge. Now let's look at their rules. The maximum time in all their stages, that is step 1, step 2 and funded trader, there is no time limit. It is unlimited time. You can take as long as you want in order to achieve their target. Minimum trading days is none here as well. 0 days for minimum trading days. You can pass the challenge in 1 day and move to next level in another day. And leverage is 1:100 you get out here in all their stages. Maximum daily loss is 5% in all their stages, and this 5% is calculated based on the highest of equity or balance at the starting of the day. And this daily drawdown can be increased up to 7% when your account gets scaled up. Now maximum loss, which is fixed and static type of loss, it is 10% of fixed and static type of loss. Example, you have a 100k account. At any point your equity or balance should not go below 90k, and this maximum loss can as well increase up to 14% when your account gets scaled up, which we will let you know in the scaling section. Now the profit target is 8% in step 1, that is student phase, and 5% in step 2, that is practitioner phase. And now if you pass both the stages, you will receive a simulated funded account. Please be informed that they do not provide a real account, however they do provide a real payout. You can request your payout every 5th day after your first trade executed on the funded account, provided you have made a minimum profit of 1% in your funded account. You have to make at least 1% of profit in your funded account. Then after, you can request the payout using bank wire transfer or crypto method. During your initial stage, you will receive a profit split of 80%, which will be increased to 90% when your account gets scaled up to the final stage. In the final stage, you receive 90% payout. These are the account size and fees. As you can check, they have one of the most affordable funding program in the industry. And also if you want to go to the cheapest funding program that also they have, that is only $32 for 5k evolution account. In case if you want more discount, then you may check the description of the video of special discount link for our valuable subscribers like you. Now let me show you one comparative figure which will compare this Propfirm with other similar Propfirms that provide same type of program, that is risk to reward expectation. That is the maximum loss that they are allowing and the target that they are expecting during your challenge. Now the thing is, if they are expecting you to gain higher risk to reward ratio, of course the challenge will be tougher for you, which means higher the ratio, tougher the challenge. As for example of this funding pips, they are allowing you a maximum loss of 10%, and 8% is the target in step 1 and 5% is the target in step 2. I'll add this both and take out the ratio dividing by the 10. 1:1.3 it comes. And these are the similar Propfirm along with the risk to reward ratio expectation. So higher the ratio, tougher the challenge, lower the ratio, easier the challenge. However, this is only based on the maximum loss and target that they are expecting. Of course, there are some different factors as well that we need to consider, which we will look on this video. Now let's look at their scaling plan, which is kind of really awesome. They scale your account on a level wise. For every level, they provide you with different additional benefits. However, the criteria is same to move from one level to another. They have 2 criteria, that is, one is for payout you must at least take in any level you are in, and 10% at least you must make a profit. 10% of minimum profit you must make in order to move from one level to another. Then they will provide you with the benefits according to the level you are in. So for example, you receive a funded account and you made a 10% of profit in that, you made at least 4 payouts in that, then you will move to Launchpad, that is level 1. Here what you get a benefit of 20% increment in your initial balance. They will increase your balance by 20%. That if you have 100k account, then you will have 120k account now, and your maximum drawdown will be 11% in this level. Instead of 10%, you get 11% maximum drawdown. Now again, if you make a 4 payouts and 10% profit, then you will move to level 2. The benefits will be 30% increment and 12% maximum drawdown and 6% daily drawdown at that level. Again, same, in order to move from level 2 to level 3, you have to make at least 10% profit and 4 payouts. Then you will move to level 3, where you will have a capital increment by 40%. They will increase your capital, and 13% will be maximum drawdown at that time. The daily drawdown will be same, like 6%, like previous level. And again, if you make 4 payouts in this level and made at least 10% of profit, you have to understand, like, withdrawing of profit doesn't affect the scaling of your account. So if you achieve that criteria, you will move to level 4, that is hot seat program. The criteria is same. Benefits, you get on demand payouts and you receive a profit split of 90%. In all other levels, you receive only 80% of profit split. In this level, you receive a profit split of 90%, and you can access a capital up to $2 million, and they will provide you a customized trading conditions according to your trading style. And maximum drawdown here, it will be 14%. Initially, you were having 10%. Now you have 14% of maximum drawdown. And next is daily drawdown, which will be increased to 7%. Not only that, they will provide you a monthly bonus as well on this level, depending on your initial account size. That is this. Depending on your initial account size, they will provide you $100, $200, $300, $400 monthly on a monthly basis. Now let's look at their pros and cons of this Propfirm. Regarding pros, I'm not going to discuss. It's very obvious. You must have known this by now. Let me only discuss about the cons without stretching the video. So first number of con is they don't have any live chat in their website. You have to go to their Discord, open a ticket in order to get the support, or you can get the support using a mail. And less product option. They have only one type of program, that is 2-step challenge. They don't have 1-step challenge. They don't have instant funding. And third is relatively new Propfirm. It is a relatively new Propfirm, so we don't know how they will perform. They don't have a proper track record, so it's a relatively new Propfirm. And for this simulated account, they provide you a simulated account, though you get a funded account, but it's a simulated funded account, so it's not a real account. And other is news trading is not allowed here in this Propfirm. And last is refund you get on the 4th payout, unlike any other Propfirm which they provide you a refund on your first payout, but this Propfirm provides you a refund on your 4th payout, the refund of the evolution fee that you have paid. Now let's look at some important points to remember. The broker that they use is Black Bull Market, and the trading platform is MT5 out here. And the trading instruments that you can trade is Forex, crypto, indices, metals, and energies. They provide a raw spread. In case if you want to check their spread, you can log in this account and check yourself. And commission is pretty cheap out here. It is $2 per round lot in Forex, and rest of the instruments are free of commission. Second number point is IP address rule. You have to use a unique IP address, like wherever you have appeared the challenge using the device, you have to use the same device to trade your master account as well. So in case if you are traveling or changing your IP address, you have to inform them beforehand. You have to show them the proof. So they might ask you, their risk team might ask you the proof. So you have to show them proof, like travel ticket, or if your system got breakdown, then you have to show the proof. Number third is news trading is not allowed 2 minutes after and before of the high impact news. You cannot trade news. So in that break, in case if you trade, it's not that they will suspend your account, but the profit that you have made, it will be not counted. And in case if you violate the rule, in case say for example if your that trade goes and hits the daily drawdown or maximum loss, so that will be considered as violation. So like it will be, you will be responsible on that. However, if you make some profit, so that profit will not be counted. Number 4 is stop loss is not mandatory. Before they used to have a stop loss rule, so these days you don't need to put a stop loss, it's not mandatory. Number 5 is you can use an expert advisor but not third party expert advisor. Of course, every Propfirm is looking for a specific trading strategy. Alright traders, this is it for the funding tips. In case if you find it suitable according to your trading style, then go ahead and apply for the funding. Discount link is in the description, but please do your own due diligence. I'm not trying to sell you anything out here. It should be completely your decision. Jamtson FX closing the review on funding tips.